act to look expensive and stylish. 8 beautiful color combination tips. Welcome to the Modish Mingle channel. Here you will find tons of interesting and useful insights. Before you dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss our daily fashion discussions. This video will dive into 8 beautiful color combinations that will make you look expensive and stylish. People often have different opinions about choosing outfits that look expensive or cheap. However, we know that the price of clothing does not always determine how it looks on you. Many mistakenly believe that branded or high-end designer clothes always bring sophistication, but this is not always the case. On the contrary, simple details and harmonious color combinations can make an outfit beautiful and elegant. Here are some color combination suggestions that can enhance the aesthetics of your wardrobe. 1. Orange and light beige. Orange has been a standout color in recent years. When paired with light beige, your outfit will look stunning and graceful. Orange adds a bold highlight, while beige provides softness. You can opt for a beige blazer with an orange skirt or trousers to create a stylish look. 2. Brown and gold. Brown was once considered outdated in fashion, but it has made a comeback and is especially favored when paired with gold accents, such as belts, earrings, or necklaces. This combination creates a warm and elegant vibe, perfect for autumn. 3. Blue and light yellow. The combination of blue and yellow might seem striking, but when you choose softer tones, it becomes surprisingly chic. This is also a great suggestion for picnics or relaxed office settings. 4. Light green and beige. The pairing of light green and beige creates a sense of elegance and comfort. Light green brings freshness, while beige balances and refines the outfit. This is a very versatile combination for everyday wear. 5. Black and white. The combination of black and white is a timeless choice. Especially when white takes up a larger proportion, it becomes a perfect tone for summer, offering a fresh and sophisticated look. 6. Burnt orange and khaki. Earthy tones always bring natural beauty, and the pairing of burnt orange and khaki is no exception. You can choose a khaki shirt with burnt orange trousers or skirt to elevate your style. 7. Pink and red. In the past, pink and red were often avoided due to their boldness. However, in recent years, this has become one of the trendiest color combinations, creating a very dynamic and modern look. 8. Dark blue and cream. These cream tones, when paired with dark blue, always exude elegance and enhance the aesthetic of any outfit. This combination works well for casual outings or even in professional settings. By thoughtfully combining tones, you can transform simple outfits into something classy and captivating. Try out these color combinations to always feel confident and stylish in every situation. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.